Here's a progressive plan to help you start a jogging routine from day 1 to day 15. Pre-jogging day assignment. Put your jogging shoes by the door. Remember, just like car tires, jogging shoes should only be used for so many miles, so make sure you get new ones every 300 to 500 miles. Midsole cushioning on most shoes will lose its absorbing shock ability, thus causing more impact on your muscles and joints. Make sure you have the correct jogging jacket, socks, and other gear that will allow your skin to breathe and/or repel the rain. Days 1 to 5. Day 1. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Begin with a 10-minute brisk walk to warm up your muscles. Cool down with stretching. Day 2. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Interval training. Alternate between 1 minute of jogging and 2 minutes of walking for a total of 15 minutes. Cool down with stretching. Day 3. Active recovery. Take a rest day or engage in light activities like stretching or yoga to allow your muscles to recover. Day 4. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Repeat interval training. Aim for 2 sets of 1-minute jogging and 2 minutes of walking, totaling 20 minutes. Cool down with stretching. Day 5. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Increase duration. Extend your jogging intervals to 2 minutes with 1 to 2 minutes of walking in between for a total of 25 minutes. Cool down with stretching. Days 6 to 10. Day 6. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Continuous jogging. Try to jog continuously for 10 minutes, taking short walking breaks if needed. Cool down with stretching. Day 7. Active recovery. Engage in low-impact activities like cycling or swimming to keep your body moving without putting too much strain on your muscles. Day 8. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Increase jogging time. Extend your continuous jogging time to 15 minutes. Cool down with stretching. Day 9. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Mix it up. Incorporate hill intervals or varying terrain to challenge your muscles and improve endurance. Cool down with stretching. Day 10. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Jog-walk intervals. Alternate between 3 minutes of jogging and 1 to 2 minutes of walking for a total of 30 minutes. Cool down with stretching. Days 11 to 15. Day 11. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Tempo run. Maintain a steady pace slightly faster than your comfortable jogging pace for 20 minutes. Cool down with stretching. Day 12. Active recovery. Take a rest day or engage in gentle activities like walking or yoga to prevent fatigue. Day 13. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Increase distance. Aim for a 2-mile jog at a comfortable pace, incorporating walking breaks if needed. Cool down with stretching. Day 14. Start with stretching and then a brisk walk. Long run. Challenge yourself with a longer continuous jog, aiming for 30 to 40 minutes at a steady pace. Cool down with stretching. Day 15. Celebration run. Reflect on your progress and enjoy a celebratory jog, focusing on gratitude for how far you've come in just 15 days. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and stretch after each session to prevent injury and promote recovery. Gradually increasing intensity and duration will help build endurance and make your jogging routine more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run.